gonna start farting any minute.
Who?
You.
No. I really thought.
Because you didn't want to walk with me, I get it.
No, it's not done, hon. Your balls, your balls, your balls. Okay, now I will leave your balls alone.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
The dog thought I'm going in that way. Hold on. Look at them. Good morning. Good morning. Punta lang kami sa ano guys, punta kami sa appointment ng asawa. And hindi namin alam kung saan. He's trying to the license plate. We have to walk. This is the place, Rudy Park. Where's the bird? There's a lot of birds, and it's really windy right now, guys, so you can't really hear me. I really need to hold on somewhere because the wind is just kicking. It's pushing me away. I'm nervous of the freaking wind. You know that, huh? You know that. The wind, I can't take the wind. It's just pushing. It's unbelievable.
You're gonna start farting any minute.
Who?
You.
No, that's a really fast wind. It doesn't get into my body.
Oh, only slow wind gets in?
Yeah.
Fast, strong winds get it easier.
No.
I wonder where these rules come from. Do you make them up as you go?
I'm not naked. It doesn't. Can we get
Yeah,
in?
but you got skin showing.
It says explore daw, sabi nila. Okay, so we're here. Umalis lang ako guys, sandali. Umalis ako doon sa sa appointment ng asawa ko. Kasi yung parking 2 hours lang. So kunin ko na lang yung sasakyan at saka punta ako doon sa So kunin ko na lang at saka mahangin. So hindi nyo rin ako maririnig. No, it's not really hard. But, you know, if you... hold on, the phone is sliding everywhere. Hold on. Okay, I'll see you here. Okay, I love you. Okay, Tommy called. I just really get it here. My butt's itching. My butt cheeks. Ilagay ko lang kayo dyan. Ay, sobrang init. I think, Tommy, after pick ko, I think we're going to... No, we're going to the... How do you call that? To his other appointment. He has 2 doctor appointments today. And I got 2 missed calls from him. What he does, I don't know why he called me twice, but 2 missed calls. And
you said, oh, so I should leave you at 11. Yeah, that's right. Gives you 15 minutes to walk up here. It don't take no 15 minutes.
that's why I leave there, you know, before 11. Because I really thought...
Because you didn't want to walk with me, I get it.
No, it's not done, hon. I really thought you're gonna be out late because I've been waiting. I don't look. Every time the door opens, oh, there's car.
He's coming, but he's gonna wait.
Every time there's car, the door is open. It's like, I wish you out, but what's going on?
You look inside, he said.
talking and it's not even freaking filming. What I'm trying to say is you get here not a long time ago and then we're gonna run another run, and then we got food, we eat lunch really fast. My hair this morning was like everywhere. I drive early every night because snow, nothing, no cars, so quiet. Even trucks, it's really few, only trucks. It's always over here because of the exit here. I don't know why all the time like that. Ah, shit. 37. Where is it? The back? No. It's right here.
What do I do with the paper from the other guy?
Huh?
They gave me the paper from the
It's
other
in the
guy.
other car, my car, yeah. So we're heading to the doctor's office. I don't know. We don't even know where we're heading, but no. Okay, do you know what number you are? So hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta kasi sobrang laking building na ito, guys. Malaki talaga siya. So na hirap hanapin.
I had to write my name like 100 freaking times. What? You can't carry over the name from one piece of paper to the next?
So
My date of birth 100 freaking times.
yeah, so we're out now, guys.
And I'll have to make an appointment. He says it's ripped, but it may not be ripped all the way through, which means it won't need surgery, which is good.
Which is good.
Because I don't want surgery.
Yeah.
I really want anybody cutting my arm open. Things are never the same after you get cut open.
You know, it's trees and trees and trees. It's a nice area. It's like a hidden building.
In 1,000 feet, at end of the road, turn right, onto County Road 62, Westchester Avenue.
Oh, my necklace!
Okay.
You're getting bigger, baby. Look at, guys, look who's the pretty baby I have here. Look at it, guys, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Come here, Rox. Come here, baby. Roxy, come here. Come here, Mitch. Come here. Come here, Roxy. No, I called you, so you. Come here, Rox. Hi guys! Ano na guys? Hi guys, good afternoon. It's 4:45 in the evening. In the afternoon. And I came up here guys because my bag is right here. He is sleeping in his tower. And I have so many laundry to be washed. Because when I wasn't here, Tommy have tons of laundry. And I have my bag. Hi bag. He's so special, oi. I don't understand. I don't understand either. You're fat little bug, oi. Little fat little bug. No, your balls. Okay, now I will leave your balls alone. He doesn't even want to look at me, guys. He's so handsome. I love him. I'm going to close my eyes and I will see you later guys because I woke up early this morning to drive back here. So I will see you a bit later. Bye. Did you see me? Did you see yourself? Did you see yourself? Hi guys, good morning. It's morning right now, but anyway guys, hi guys. I'm going to do an insert shout out for today's vlog. Yeah. Hi, shout out to Chiris Hernandez. Hi sis, and also happy birthday to her son Liam this coming March 28th. Advance happy birthday. Thank you for watching. And also shout out to Margos Adamson. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Yasmin Lodi. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Yes. And also shout out to Julianne. Hi Julianne. Yun lang. Thank you guys all so much for watching. At saka kung ikaw nanonood ngayon, salamat. At saka, yeah, leave a comment down below if you wanna be in my shout out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
2,000 years later.
Hi bug, what are you waiting for? Anyway guys, good night. Yeah, nilalagyan. I'm applying this lately. I've been applying this the Pants White Beauty Pearl Cream, this one right here. I think I told you already. This is one of my routine when I wasn't really into makeup. So this is my routine and then I stop and I have to go back with this. So anyway guys, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Ano na naman kami, nagsasagutan dahil sa ganyan. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag mo akong pogs